Have you ever noticed some of the smartest people enjoy spending time alone? They don't hate people, they don't think they're better than everyone else. In fact, many of them enjoy deep conversations. They simply choose to spend more time with themselves. Why? It is Leo lines, or is there something hidden inside the human brain? Psychologists have studied this question for years, and the answers may surprise you. Today, we'll explore why intelligent people often prefer solitude and what it says about the human mind. Let's begin. Most people think being alone means being lonely, but these are not the same thing. Loneliness is feeling disconnected, solitude is choosing your own company. One hurts, the other heals. Intelligent people often understand this difference. They don't run away from people, they simply know that quiet moments help them think clearly. When the world becomes silent, their mind becomes louder, ideas grow, problems become easier to solve, and creativity begins. Imagine two people, one speaks constantly, the other listens carefully. Who learns more? Psychologists believe listening gives your brain more information than talking. Many intelligent people observe first, then notice body language, tone of voice, small details, things most people never see. Because understanding often begins with listening, not speaking. Have you ever had a conversation that lasted an hour but meant absolutely nothing? Whether celebrity gossip, random complaints. For many intelligent people, this conversation feel exhausting, not because they dislike people, but because their brain naturally searches for depth. They enjoy ideas, meaning, questions, growth. A single meaningful conversation can be more valuable than 100 empty ones. Every conversation, every argument, every unnecessary drama consumes mental energy. Intelligent people understand something important. Energy is limited. That's why they don't try to win every argument. They don't chase everyone's approval, and they don't waste hours trying to impress strangers. Instead, they protect their peace because peace creates clear thinking. When you are always surrounded by noise, you rarely hear yourself. But when you are alone, something changes. You begin asking important questions. What do I really want? What kind of life am I building? What truly make me happy? These questions can completely change your future because self-awareness is one of the strongest forms of intelligence. Many people measure life by numbers, more followers, more friends, more attention. But intelligent people often measure life differently. They value one loyal friend more than 50 fake ones, one meaningful conversation more than hours of meaningless talking, one peaceful evening more than endless social noise. Being alone does not automatically make someone intelligent, and being social does not make someone less intelligent. The real lesson is this: intelligent people know when to connect and when to disconnect. They understand that growth often happiness is silence because sometimes the loudest voice you'll ever hear is your own mind. Have you ever noticed the smartest person in the room is usually not the loudest one? While everyone else is trying to be heard, they are watching, listening, learning. Why? Because they understand something powerful. Every time you speak, you reveal information, but every time you listen, you gain information. Silence is not empty, silence is observation, and observation is one of the greatest advantages a person can have. Intelligent people know you don't have to prove your intelligence by talking all the time. Sometimes the strongest answer is no answer at all. Many people cannot stay alone for even 10 minutes. The moment the room becomes quiet, they pick up their phone, open social media, turn on the TV, or start another conversation. Why? Because silence forces us to face our own thoughts, but intelligent people often do the opposite. They welcome quiet moments because those moments help them understand themselves. Every great ideas, every important decision, and every personal breakthrough usually begins in silence. Today world reward attention, more followers, more likes, more views, more noise. But intelligent people often chase something different: knowledge, skills, purpose, because they understand attention disappears but value remains. Instead of asking, how can I impress people? They ask, how can I improve myself? That simple question changes everything. Imagine spending every day listening to complaints, arguments, drama, negative opinions. Without realizing it, your mind begins carrying the emotional weight of everyone around you. Psychologists call this emotional contagion. Human emotions can spread from one person to another. That is why the people you spend time with shape the person you become. Intelligent people understand this. They don't isolate themselves forever. They simply choose their company carefully, because protecting your mind is just as important as protecting your body. Being alone does not mean you have no friends. It does not mean you hate people, and it certainly does not mean something is wrong with you. Sometimes being alone is where confidence grows, where ideas are born, where healing begins, and where the strongest version of yourself is quietly created. So, does being alone make someone intelligent? Not always, and being surrounded by people does not make someone less intelligent. The real difference is knowing when to be alone and when to be with others. Some of the greatest ideas, the biggest life decision, and the strongest personal growth don't happen in a crowd room. They happen in silence. So the next time you choose to spend time alone, don't think of it as loneliness. Think of it as an investment in your mind, because every moment you spend understanding yourself make you stronger, wiser, and more confident. Remember that loudest people are not always the strongest. Sometimes the questioned person is thinking the deepest. If this video helped you see solitude in a different way, leave a like, subscribe to Quantum Nest, and turn on notifications, because every week we explore the hidden psychology. Okay, I'll see you in next video.